Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $27.33 and chances are very high that we can see a further downfall. If you look at this particular trend, chances will be very high that if the price keeps sustaining as we have seen for today, it is trying to go upside. So if it's try to go upside and move up a level of around 20-33 dollars, a further upside movement we can see, because on a weekly basis also, on a device basis also, it is a strong resistance. So once the price started going over that level, a further upside movement we can see, and this pattern will also support this trend. Okay, second thing is that what we have seen, that after making this particular all-time high, we have seen there is a continuous downfall and the price has not touched even a level of 2090 after that. Okay, and if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 2033, and then we can see there can be chances of further upside movement we can see. So looking at this particular chart, opposite U pattern is forming here. If the price keep moving below a level of 2017, we can see there can be a further downfall movement. Okay, but if you look at the trend, chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining with 2033, a further upside movement we can see. From there, a probability of crossing 2040, then to a level of 2050, and then further high, because a clear pattern forming in there. But if you look at this trend, what the similar pattern has been formed after 2012 to 2020, that was the first trend we have seen, and these similar patterns are being formed. Okay, and so we can see a further upside movement if the price started going above that this particular level. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now let's see if the price sustain this level. What we can see, if you look at the dollar index, you will see here that dollar index is trying to go upside, but it is not sustaining. So if the price started falling below a level of 103.9, then a further downfall we can see in the price of dollar index. But if it tries to go upside above a level of 104.2, a further upside movement we can see. Look at this particular chart. Now let's see if the price, let's see if the price sustain this level. We can see, suppose if the price sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $2038, and if that level sustain, a further high we can see towards 2046. Okay, now it is trading at 2027, so chances are high if the price keep moving up that level, we will see a level of 2033, and once it started crossing that level, we will see a level of 2036. And if that level sustained, then a further upside movement we can see towards $2041, and from there it can cross a level of, after 2041 we can see it can cross a level of 2046. Once the price started sustaining with 2046, a further high movement we can see towards 20 above a level of 2050, and from there a probability of crossing, after 2050 we can see a probability of crossing 2056 also there, and from there a probability of moving further upside towards 2062 is there. If the price started going above that particular zone, a further upside movement we can see towards 2066, and if the price keep moving above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of 2081. Okay, and if the price keep moving, a further upside movement we can see. Keep that in mind, there is a higher chances if the price move up a level of 2033, a further upside movement we can see. But as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. Okay, and if you are thinking that the market will move as per you, no, it will not. Okay, so you have to always set your SL. If you're setting your SL, you will save your capital, and if you're trailing your SL, you will save your profit. These two things you have to do. So let's see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards a level of 2020, which is already being a weak support, so chances are high we can see it can fall further down towards 2015 also. And once the price started going below this level, we can see it will go move below a level of 2012, and then from there a probability of crossing a level of $2008. If the price started falling below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 2005 is there, and from there a probability of crossing 2002. And then if the price started falling below 2002, a further downfall we can see. From there a probability of going below a level of 2000 is there, and from there a probability of touching 1992. And if the price fall below that particular zone, we can see a level of 1986. Okay, keep that in mind, that as soon as the price started falling below 1986, a further downfall we can see towards $1976. Okay, and if that level move further down, a further fall we can see towards 1972, and then from there a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you